Failures can lead to success with the right attitude. At Outback Motortek, we believe in this philosophy. Hence, we've been drop testing our crash bars for years in order to gain a better understanding of how real protection should perform. Today's a milestone for Outback Motortek. For the first time ever, we're drop testing two Honda Africa Twin 1100 models featuring two different protection combos. So then it begins, and the Adventure Sports version gets pushed and dropped first. Picking up the bike from the ground quickly reveals a substantial design failure. This is not looking good. Everything has been exposed. Everything has picked up damage. You can see this here, the skid plate, the engine guards, the crash bar, even the new clamps, and the upper bar that have been packed as well. On the other side is the same. The bars did move in up here. The fact that the Africa Twin's turning radius is so large, the handguards don't help the crash bars too much. They don't absorb the impact. So all the impact, all the energy goes right onto the crash bars. Let's put the Adventure Sports and its Ultimate Protection Combo Max aside for a bit. It's time to test the Ultimate Protection Combo on the standard Africa Twin 1100. Some light savings, about 4 kilograms or 9 pounds, and it still works pretty well. The skid plate got exposed, the engine guards, and the top end of the lower crash bars. There's no damage to the fairing. Everything is intact. Once again, the crash bars and the engine guards did their job. The protection combo on the Africa Twin 1100 standard has done well. It's time to put our heads together and improve on the Max combo. After spending quite some time analyzing the crash results, we've decided to doctor the issue by adjusting the structural design. One thing we wanted to focus on is the impact loading zones. We actually wanted less impact on the upper crash bars and more impact on the lower crash bars. We increased the distance between the tank and the upper bars, and we also pushed the lower crash bars main crash spot further out. It's finally time to find out how we fared with the improved design. The redesigned impact zones have worked exactly as we had planned. This is the second phase of testing. The previous one you saw was not perfect, so we ended up improving on the upper bars and lower bars. Everything is looking really good. Nothing rattles, nothing broken. The stator cover is intact. There's a scratch here. There's a hit here, so we know this took a lot of impact. And of course the upper bar here as well. There's some scratch right here. On the other side, there's a lot of evidence. Without the upper bars, this would have been not only dented, but scratched pretty badly. This here, again, this is the main impact zone. This one's looking really good. It took a lot of beating. Then we got this one down here. It's only vital for the DCT because it sticks farther out, but everything else is looking good. Even the skid plate got scratched. We're happy. One of the reasons to showcase a double crash test today was the fact that we could demonstrate that both combos can do an outstanding job. Some people still may go for the full max combo, including the upper, lower crash bars, engine guards, and skid plate, and some may only go for the lower crash bars, engine guards, and skid plate. Second hit, man. It's still taking the beating. Still taking it. No problem. Everything is nice and intact. Nothing rattles. Nothing is broken here. Same as on the right side. No upper bars, no problem. It's a standard one, it's narrower, all is looking good. It absorbed the impact, it bounced. On this, you want something to absorb that hit. You don't want the frame to take it. Thanks for watching. Guys, leave us a comment, some more encouraging words, and we're gonna continue drop testing our crash bars to prove that they actually work. If you'd like to purchase the only manufacturer drop tested Africa Twin 1100 crash bars in the world, please visit www.outbackmotortek.com and find your nearest dealer or your regional online store.